पाकिस्तान विच सिद्धू ने अपने अंदाज विच अमन शांति का दिता संदेश। पाकिस्तान के संघी सूचना ते प्रसारण मंत्री फवाद हुसैन चौधरी ने लाहौर विच लंघी शाम पाकिस्तानी सरकार वालों दिती गई रिसैप्शन विच पंजाब के कैबिनेट मंत्री नवजोत सिंह सिद्धू नाल मुलाकात की। दोवां विचाले ये मुलाकात बड़ी गर्मजोशी नाल हुई। पत्रकारां नाल गलबात दौरान दोवां ने भारत पाकिस्तान विचाले कशीदगी नूं घट करन उत्ते जोर दिता ते चंगे संबंधां दी कामना की।
मैं मैसेज मेरा बड़ा सिंपल है, छोड़ो कल की बातें, कल की बात पुरानी, नए दौर में मिलकर हम लिखेंगे नई कहानी। That's my message.
Are you worried that some people are politically attacking you?
Listen, it is the tree which is laden with fruit, which is pelted with stones. Criticism has never worried me. I pull out my old umbrella and let the rain of criticism run over my shoulder. You know, it tells me that there's something which is irking people. No one kicks a dead dog. As I said, if you're important, you're criticized. It's part of your life.
Would you have liked your Chief Minister to be here as well, Amrinder Saab?
No, it's his personal choice. I respect his choice.
And your feelings being here at the Lahore Fort at Kartarpur tomorrow? You were the first one to talk about it.
I actually used to hear a song from Karen Carpenter. You would have heard it,
Yes.
Barkha. I'm on the top of the world. You know, that's the feeling. It's really a top of the world because, see, not only me, it's not about me. An individual means nothing. It's 12 crore Nanak Naam Levas who waited 71 years and prayed and prayed and prayed. And the Ardas says, Bichde Gurdama de Khulle Darshan Didare. Their prayers have been answered. And one man with courage makes a majority. Khan Sahab, Imran Khan Sahab, his initiative, and what an initiative. You know, he stuck to his guns, he stood by his word, and you know, men of genius are admired, men of power are feared, but men of character are trusted.
हमारी जिहड़ी सिख कम्यूनिटी है उन्हां दे दिल धड़कदे इस दे नाल। ओबवियसली अगला 550वां बाबा गुरु नानक का जन्म स्थान है उन्हां दा, और उहदे च जाके असीं ये चाहते हाँ कि जिहड़ी साडी सिख कम्यूनिटी है उन्हों वो गुडविल क्रिएट होए। साडी उस वास्ते एक ह्यूमैनिटेरियन एफर्ट है और उहदे नाल इंशाअल्लाह अगे बढ़ांगे।
In your speech you said Navjot Singh Sidhu you consider as a Pakistani more than Indian.
No. I said that he is talking about peace in India. He is standing like that. So more people, there are other people.
And he has got a lot of criticism from one of the section in India.
Oh, Pakistan which भी है. If you talk about relationship with India, there will be people stand against you. But ultimately, you know, the pro-peace people have to stand up. Otherwise, it will continue like that.
Today, foreign ministry of your foreign ministry, they announced there will be no visa for those who wanted to visit Kartarpur Sahib. What was that actually? I mean, is they open from today only or for only that day?
No, this will be a permanent opening between Kartarpur and between Gurdaspur and the Pakistani district is Narowal. So Narowal and Gurdaspur is a permanent opening. वो तो हुण इंडिया ते है ना, वो तो हुण उत्थे कहना चाहिए उन्होंने कि भी अलाउ करन ताकि उत्थे तक जिहड़ा वो जा सकन। I think उन्होंने करना चाहिए।
Last, are you happy with what you have achieved, that Pakistan have achieved?
I think you guys are here. It's such a pleasure to have you all here, and I hope the message of peace will go across. And we want more people to come. And inshallah, I am trying to relax visa regime for Indian journalists. So let's hope I've been able to.
People contact only happen when you give visa, both countries.
Of course, and then the journalists must come. You know, the journalists are the best people who can tell stories.